Welcome to LightUp Essentials. This is a series of video tutorials on using LightUp. In this tutorial I want to look at exporting panoramas. With LightUp you can export to the LightUp Player and LightUp WebPlayer, and these are free downloads that allow you to navigate and move around in 3D your lit model. And it's a way of being able to share your work with other people who don't have LightUp and SketchUp. However, it's sometimes useful also to be able to export panoramas, such as QuickTime VR panoramas, or just a single projection, a 360 projection, for use in other packages. So I've got here a model of a warehouse. I'm just going to go ahead and start Tour Tool. Okay, so I've got Tour Tool started. In fact, I've got lines on styles. I've got edges being shown. I can change the color of those by just changing the style, and I can change the thickness of them in Tour Tool by altering this control. But in fact, I think actually I'm going to just, for this model, I'm going to turn them off. Let's just turn them off. Okay, so I've got my model here. I've got some ambient occlusion. I've got some IES lights there in the background. And what I want to be able to do is to export it to a panorama. So I go to the capture part of the dialogues, and on this cubic button I can choose panorama and just click. Okay, and so what I've got is I've saved out for this particular camera location. I've saved it's upside down, but there we go. So that is a for this a 360 panorama from this location. So I can generate these very quickly. If I move over here, for example, I can do that again. Let's add another one. There you go. So I can generate a whole bunch of images, panorama images of my model to be brought into another package. I can also, if I like, generate, as I mentioned earlier, the QuickTime VR style, which is something that you can share in an email, for example. So if you go back to this cubic export, there's a number of different formats that LightUp can output. This format which names the 6 different directions, 6 images it's going to generate, using front, right, up, etc. And this is a format that LightUp knows for reading skyboxes, and also there's a number of software packages out there that use that convention, and they are just conventions for naming the 6 directions of the images that can be generated. The next one down is it's just a convention. It's naming the different directions 1 through 6, and this is the one I'm gonna choose. So I'm just going to get where I want to generate this QuickTime VR picture from. Click cubic, go to directory, click save, and if I go into that folder, you'll see the 6 images named 1 through 6. Now I'm using a package called GoCubic here. It's available for download. So if I just click on it, I click on Make Pano Movie, and it allows me to point at a file. It's smart and will work out all the others. So you give one of them and it will find out all the others. So I just click on that. Where do I want to save the default movie? Well, I'll save it in the same folder for now. Done. So there you go. It's created a panorama that can be shared with others. And of course, I can generate multiple ones of these by just moving in LightUp. I can just move my camera around to a different location, and click on that again. We've got some more images. I can, if I want to, I can do make pano again, make pano. I'm going to use this second lot of images that we generated. And again, we'll save it to default 2. There we go. So stretch that out. And what we've got is a movie from this location that doesn't use any 3D. It's just a set of images that are stitched together to create these panorama that you can use. Okay. I think that the last, just for completeness, we've also got single strip, which again some packages use. What that means is it's going to create a very long image with all 6 images one after another, like a sort of movie strip almost. So let's just see what that looks like. So there's the strip, and you can see the strip of all the different images. Different packages use different formats, and LightUp supports a whole range of formats for you to use in a whole range of different applications.